Today we'll be looking at the Tineco Pure One Station 5, a vacuum that is so high-tech that it literally blends in with my other robots. Now I first saw this at CES and it had me thinking, a vacuum that not just cleans the floor, but also cleans itself. Now some interesting things about this particular vacuum is that it features a 3-in-1 cleaning station, which is literally what you see right over here. Now that features smart detection and it cleans the entire pathway from the roller brush to the tube, even the HEPA filter. Now previously we reviewed a lot of different brands including Dyson's and other things, but they all end up getting clogged and over time they stop working. That is a great solution with this particular product. Now it also features a huge dustbin of 2.5 liters, giving you roughly around 45 days worth of cleaning without emptying the particular station. So that is one of the plus behind this, is that it has its own self-containment center rather than constantly having to empty it. Now it also features a powerful 175 watt system that keeps its power over time instead of slowing down like an old Wi-Fi connection, as well as green light technology and a zero tangle brush design. Now I've been using this for some time now and I have to say it works great over different materials, from carpet to wood floor to laminate flooring. It handles it very well. Now I'll tell you exactly how does it work. So this here is a 3-in-1 station. That means that it can self-clean, it can provide storage for the particular vacuum. It can go ahead and clean itself with this cycle where it will clean all the way from the brush down to the tube, down to the HEPA. Now it itself is a storage unit, so it is a very compact design where it allows you to go ahead and even put accessories on the side in a smaller area. And then lastly, it also serves as a charging base, as it itself will go ahead and charge the particular vacuum when it's on here. Traditionally speaking, most vacuums like this require you to go ahead and hang it on something or just kind of lay it on the ground and plug it in. This is a great way to go ahead and eliminate all that. Now it features a clogless system. Typical vacuums tend to be less powerful over time because they end up getting clogged. And that is a great solution for them to have this particular device that allows you to go ahead and clean the tubes, so you always have that strong, powerful feel that you would get when you first unbox it. In terms of unboxing goes, it comes in a relatively easy packaging. All you have to do is go ahead and take everything out and everything else just kind of clips together. There wasn't any assembly required other than having to clip them together, and there's no screws or anything like that. It just literally plug and play and you're ready to go. So this is how you set it up. The first time you do use it, you do have to build it in the sense of clipping them together, but once it's built, it's pretty much plug and play. Now you can go ahead and remove the front canister here after 45 days or between 45 days if you like, and you can go ahead and empty it by simply pushing down a particular button. You'll also notice that on the particular setup itself, everything is self-enclosed, so you don't really have to worry about much going on with it. The battery is already integrated into it, but it'll also charge it via the particular docking station. Now, no product is perfect. My only complaint would be the 70-minute run time. It's great, but if you happen to have a big house or a big space, you might need to have a recharge break in the middle. Or, you know, buy 2 of these and live like royalty. Another thing about this particular product that makes it unique is that it also features green light technology, which is great to go ahead and see dirt in different corners, especially in the dark. Basically, it can see what the human eye can't see. And it features a 120-degree wide-angle light to highlight dirt as small as 0.02 millimeters. It can also tackle large debris. With a unique brush head, wider tube, and a larger connection port, you don't ever have to worry about picking up bigger pieces of garbage or bigger pieces of dirt. It'll automatically go ahead and adjust for that and accommodate that based on the tubing size. I like it a lot as it doesn't require any maintenance. Traditionally speaking, any vacuum out there does require cleaning not just the particular canister, but the pipes from time to time, as it can get clogged. Same with the filter. Now this actually eliminates all that, as it has its own 3-in-1 system that will go ahead and clean the tubes, and then on top of all that you do get that nice HEPA filter, so it definitely purifies it and you don't ever have to really worry about swapping it out, cleaning it out, and doing things like that. On top of that, usually when I do review different vacuums, over time I'll notice that they do get smelly, a little bit of funky, so being able to go in and get rid of all that is definitely an A1 in my book. So it does save you money without having to buy bags, and that's the nice thing behind this. No bags equals more savings, so no reoccurring costs and more clean floors. And then also features a big size of the dustbin, which I have to say is really awesome. Overall, the Pure One Station 5 is a solid choice if you want a vacuum that cleans your floors and itself without the usual headaches. Check out the link down below and let me know in the comments If you could add one crazy feature to this particular vacuum, what would it be? A robotic arm or even a little snack tray? Be sure to check out the link down below for your very own, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.